bargain agreement. All right. You entered a plea, and according to your plea bargain agreement, the state is opposed. All right. Are you all ready to proceed with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
I'm sorry. Just 1 second. Do you need a copy?
Oh, no, Your Honor, I didn't. I just wanted to make sure you knew before we could be excused.
Oh, yes, you can be excused.
All right.
so
Thank you, Your
much.
Honor. All right. You'll have a good one.
All right. The court is calling 2024 CR 0075532 State versus Dena Dino A.
Here we go. A brand new case on the docket. State versus Dena Costa. Now, pay close attention to how the judge handles this one. The tone's calm for now, but trust me, things get tense once restitution and plea deals come into play.
This is my client's copy.
Sure.
He paid $8,000 today. Andrew signed off on it.
Okay.
So that was the amount that was in the plea, 8,000 of the 16,500.
Okay.
And it has been paid. He still owes 8,500. He knows that, which is part of our argument as to, because it's an opposed plea, Judge. So that's part of our argument as to why you should grant probation.
All right. So the total restitution is 16,500, but he paid 8,000 of that, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. I saw where you had wrote on that form that he owes 10,000. I'm like, is my math off?
That's for us.
Hey. Oh, sorry.
We
Yeah.
haven't been asking him to pay us because we wanted the restitution.
Excuse me, Mr. Green? Is Mr. Green here? You know, that was from, well, you know what movie I'm talking about. Okay.
I do.
All right. Let me find the plea bargain agreement. All right. You entered a plea, and according to your plea bargain agreement, the state is opposed to your application, and restitution was to be to Andy Hydrick and Rocky Hill Equipment Rentals, and there's to be a $2,000 fine. State, he's made an $8,000 payment. Are you still opposed?
No, Judge, in lieu of the fact that he made $8,000 and showing improvement on that, the state would be recommending a probation there period.
All right. Are you recommending the deferred? Because he's requesting deferred.
A good conscience, I can't recommend deferred on this, Judge. The reason being is just because of the history.
We applied for both, Judge, and just an abundance of caution. He does have felony convictions already. I do need it. It's the person that is owed the restitution is Hector Gabaldon.
Notice that moment? The prosecutor can't recommend deferred probation because of Costa's prior felonies. That's a critical legal detail. Deferred probation basically wipes the conviction if completed successfully. But with a record like his, the state isn't taking that risk. This is where second chances start to run thin.
And probated for 8 years. There's a $2,000 fine that will be probated. There's to be restitution, if any, to Rocky Hill Equipment Rentals. Is that the appropriate person, counsel?
Put that down just in case, but they already said they didn't have restitution, but then we need to add Hector, and the last name is spelled Gabaldon. He's the one who's actually out money, Hector Gabaldon.
Right. So Andy Hydrick is not owed any money?
No, they got their equipment back, from what I saw.
That's an individual, I believe, with Rocky Hill, Judge.
Okay. All right. So I put down Rocky Hill Equipment Rental. So if something pops up, then it will still end up going to the owner, Andy Hendrick.
Thanks, Judge.
So the court will note that the defendant has paid a total of $8,000 up front. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Dena Costa.
All right, so Mr. Acosta, based upon the restitution amount, at sentencing, I was told that restitution amount was $16,500.
Correct.
So you paid the $8,000. So what's due is $8,500. How much are you able to pay per month towards the restitution?
I could do anywhere between $1,000, if that is
All right. So here's the
sufficient.
thing. This is what I tell people. I just want to know what the amount is, and whatever you say the amount is. Of course, if you tell me $20 a month, I'm going to say absolutely
Yeah.
not. But whatever the amount is, that's what I'm going to put in this order. So if it's $1,000 and you're 100% sure that it's going to be $1,000, then I'm going to order you to pay $1,000 a month towards restitution.
Understood. Well, in that case, $500 would be sufficient. That way I meet up to my expectations.
All right, he's to pay restitution in the amount of $500 per month. Proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be the theft course, a $2,000 fine that will be probated. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. 200 hours of community service restitution. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, and regular random UAs. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
Yes, Judge. So as far as the restitution to the Rocky Hills individual, according to the PSI, they're not requesting any type of restitution. Also, Mr. Costa indicates, and I think the court is aware that he travels for work. I just need something to put in his conditions, giving him permission for that.
All
He
right.
works as a welder out on one of those deep sea rigs.
All right, so I'll put, the defendant is allowed to travel for work. And then there's no restitution then to Rocky Hill equipment. So the only restitution will be to Hector Gabaldon.
And Judge, I just want to confirm, Mr. Costa, when he does travel for work, he goes everywhere and he's gone for an extended amount of time. Is it okay that I make sure that that's in there?
Yes. Is there anything else?
Nothing further from the defense, Your Honor.
Anything else you need from the court?
I just want to say thank you for the opportunity. I know I did make a mistake, a bad decision. I don't want to call it a mistake. It was the decision that I made, and it was a bad decision overall, and I'm paying for the consequences, set my family back. But we're looking to do better. And I do want to say thank you to the state as well for giving us this opportunity. We know we were a purpose.
And there it is, the judge's final message. Do better. Short, sharp, and heavy with meaning. After a suspended sentence and 8 years of probation, Costa walks out with freedom, but under tight conditions. The real question now, will he keep his promise to change, or end up back before the same bench?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Well, thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you.
White. You have a good day. Thank you.
Who is here on marker